We've known about Mozilla's VPN service for a little while now, and now the company has released an Android app for beta testing. Mozilla has already released a browser extension for Firefox that provides free access to the service in the US, but apps for Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, Linux and Chromebook are also planned. The monthly cost is currently set at $4.99, about £4 per $7 but Mozilla describes this as at limited time beta pricing, so it's safe to assume that this will increase when the service launches properly. The apps serve as true VPNs and offer full device protection. They aren't just proxies that handle data from your web browser. They can be used to protect up to 5 devices as part of the monthly fee, and Mozilla says you'll be able to choose from servers in more than 30 countries. You can download the Android app from Google Play if you have an invite to the beta program, which you can sign up for here, fpn.firefox.com, but bear in mind that there is currently a waiting list. If you make it to the top of the waiting list, Mozilla will also provide access to the Windows 10 app. Beta apps will also be made available for other platforms, but Mozilla hasn't yet indicated when these may be released.